What's up, guys? You're watching another video. So before we get into this video, I want to let you guys know that it's straight revving, bro. Like literally 10 minutes of just straight exhaust, loud noises, loud revving, bro, anti-lag flames, everything, two-step. It was literally the craziest and loudest Carmeet I have ever been to in my entire life. I'm so deaf. I'm still deaf to this day. Because I sat there and I vlogged the entire thing for you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I didn't vlog much, but it's just straight exhaust, dude. It's crazy. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick warning that this vlog is very, very loud. So those headphone users, be careful because this vlog is loud, dude. Just stay tuned for the end because it gets even crazier towards the end, bro. So watch the entire thing, watch all the ads, and support your boy. Let's get into the video.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video.
What's up, guys? You watch another video. We just made it to this Carmeet, guys. A bunch of homies are here. Look.
You guys hear how he says the video?
We got Hugo. We got Jay. No way, bro. Oh my god. And right off the bat, there's already revving, so let's go film it. Well, there's so many people, I don't know how I'm gonna get up there, but...
Bro, there's no way we're gonna get in.
I need a film, bro, for the people. How are you getting in there, Polly?
Bro, I have no idea.
We gotta get in there, bro. Excuse me.
Come on, dude.
I don't know how we got in there, but I followed Polly, bro. How do we make it in here, bro?
I'm following Jay.
I don't know. What's wrong, bro?
I live 10 minutes away from here.
Bro?
Gave me one earplug.
I need some earplugs, bro. I always go deaf for you guys in the vlog, bro. Because I have to catch the shot. I have to film it for you guys.
Bro, where's the pizza? Where's the GTR?
Should I bring it in here?
Hell yeah.
No, my man. Look how many people are here, bro. This is gonna be crazy. There's way too many people here, guys. We're about to get my feet ran over, bro.
They're gonna get back if you start two-stepping. Don't worry, everyone's gonna step back right when this shit starts.
Jazzy, get me out of here, bro! I don't want to be here.
I'm actually crying already.
You're burning my feet, bro! My pants gonna catch on fire. I don't know why I do this, bro. Why are we doing this, bro? Bro, I can't cover 2 ears.
That's what I'm saying. It's hard to vlog and cover 2 ears, guys. We are literally on fire, bro. What the hell? There's literally a car right there. Y'all gonna catch on fucking fire.
Yeah.
This is a two-step car right there.
Bro, I don't want to be in the back. I don't want to be. I don't know why everyone's standing so close, bro. Bro, you're lit. This is the stupidest shit I've ever filmed.
So this is how fucking takeovers feel, huh?
This is dumb, bro. Why do people get so
Why
close,
do people
bro?
keep like smashing in?
They come in and then they back up.
Literally,
I don't get it.
dude.
That's it? That's it? R33, R32, guys. This shit's gonna be ridiculously loud. Oh my god.
My dick caught on fire, bro.
I made it!
I've been here, bro. I've been
Stop. Alright guys, I'm out of that pit. That shit is way too loud and way too many people. Like literally everyone's huddled on top of each other, bro. Hell no. And I'm literally deaf, guys. Those cars are so loud. I was trying to get all the footage for you guys, but it's not easy with all those people pushing around. Anyways, look at all the cars here. This is a super last minute me, but there's some sick ass cars like GTRs. What is this? RX-7, damn. That is a beautiful RX-7. Got 6 350Z, Jimmy's NSX, Hugo's M3, my GTR. And then Jay's G80 right here. Watch my videos?
Oh, bro. Always.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. You too. Josh's car? I didn't even know Josh was here. What the This is the loudest Carmeet I've ever been to in my life, bro. I can't hear. Like, I literally can't hear. Josh! What's up? I can't hear, bro. Get the merch, bro!
Hey, shop at FindingNick.com.
Shop at FindingNick.com! My boy! Pincha!
Dude, I'm never doing that again, dude. My right ear is partially deaf.
I'm so deaf, bro. I don't know why we stood there.
I'll never do
Was
that.
it worth it?
It was not worth it, bro.
It was
First of
not-
all, okay, I know you guys on camera can't. I want everyone. There's a burnout going on. Sorry, I got distracted. Anyways, you guys can't hear how loud that was on camera, but not only that, the fumes.
Bro, I'm literally dead. Like,
suffocating.
I can't breathe, bro.
Yeah,
I sucked up so much 85.
We're doing this for you guys.
Want me to suck it out of you?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.